Law Minister K Shanmugam says Singapore would need to change the constitution to allow the president to speak whenever he likes and on whatever topic he likes. He also said no lawyer has told him that what he said about the powers and roles of the president as defined in the constitution is incorrect. Mr. Shanmugam was speaking at the Singapore Legal Forum, which discussed job opportunities and challenges for young and future lawyers.
A participant at the forum wanted to know if Singapore goes by the strict interpretation of the Constitution when it comes to the elected president.
In 1990, what we did is we took the constitutional presidency and we added on specific powers in 5 areas. Detentions without trial, reserves, key appointments, including the appointments of judges, Chief Justice and Attorney General, and a few other areas. There can be no basis for any doubt, if you read the white papers, as to what these 5 additional powers were meant to be, and that it doesn't change the nature of the Constitution or change the nature of the presidency.
The 4 presidential candidates have been speaking on the role and powers of the president. Mr. Shanmugam rebutted a point raised by a participant at a recent forum who had suggested that his views contradicts then Prime Minister Goh Chok Tong's comments on the powers of the president.
That's a misunderstanding of the position and misunderstanding of what I've said, because I also said except as provided in the Constitution. One of the areas provided where President has specific powers is on reserves. And President Ong spoke about the reserves. And the then Prime Minister said this is a good thing, that the President exercises his powers and speaks about it.
Mr. Shanmugam said that as President Ong Teng Cheong has spoken about issues relating to reserves, it is one of the areas that the President can speak publicly about.